Hello everyone, so we're here from this last round of these games here in this one in FIDE Women's Grand Prix Monaco 2025. This is a round number 9, last round. So it means long game within 1 hour and 30 minutes here from this game from this one. And also have between from this international master in Mongolia is Batpuyang. So it means what the name is one is Batpuyang Mongontol. So it means Batpuyang Mongontol. So it means Mongolia's here from this one. So it means North Asia or maybe South Asia here from this one. And also have a grandmaster from this Russia is Alexandra Goryashkina from this one. So in the study of these games here, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of this chess game in this last round, round number 9 in FIDE Women's Grand Prix. So white plays Patkuyag is e4, e5 Gorishkina, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5, Roy Lopez opening, and also knight f6 is called Roy Lopez opening or Wesley So Berling defense from this one. Or maybe, so it means we try the moves here is used by knight d4, so it means it's called Roy Lopez is bird defense from this one. If you capture this knight, or maybe pawn takes knight. So simple is that we need to defense by bird defense here. So it means good example. So Gorachkina move by knight f6 here, or maybe with a threat by e4, or maybe with a target by pawns here, and also d3 defense here by e4, and also bishop c5. So it means what a good strongest move by Gorachkina, or maybe decided move by knight g4, or maybe this decided here, or maybe here is castle kingside or develops here from this one, and also bishop takes knight, pawn takes, and castle kingside, and also knight d7. So it means knight d7 is, so it means knight d7 here from this one. Or maybe when you moves here, if you move here, still knight g4 here from this one. So it means knight g4, or maybe knight d7 move by Gorshkina, and also c3, h6, and also knight bd2, castle kingside, and also knight c4. So knight c4 is novelty by games by IM Batkuyang Mongolia. So it means the old main line here is good novelty is rook e1 here. Simple is that we need to move, so it means good novelty from this one. So back novelty is knight c4 and rook e8, rook e1. So it means nice good decisions by Batkuyang from Mongolia. And also a5, so it means move by push a4 or maybe a3 here, and also h3 and push a4, so it means develops by Oreshkina, or maybe move by decided a3 by pushes here without defense bishop or rook. So first puzzle, so what do you think? Find brilliant move by IM Batpuyag from this Mongolia. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone is knight takes e5. Brilliant move sacrificed by IM Batkuya. So it means sacrifice. So it means brilliant move here from this one. And also decided is knight takes e5 by Gorachkina, and also knight takes e5. So it means next black pieces. So it means second puzzle. So it means black pieces. So it means find brilliant move against sacrifice by GM Gorechkina from Russia. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone is boom, bishop takes f2 check, brilliant move by Goryachkina. So it means strongest move. So it means strongest sacrifice or maybe brilliant move. Or maybe with a threat by rook here from this one without check, or maybe here check and decided threat by rook here. It might danger by rook here. So it means sacrifice by brilliant move. And decided she captured by king takes f2 bishop here, and also rook takes knight. Oh, rook takes knight. So why don't we move by queen? Queen f6 check. Or maybe if you check from this one and also move by king g1, and also decided is one is rook takes knight. So it means develop here, or maybe good examples by from this develops here from this one. So back captured is knight takes I mean sorry, rook takes e5 knight. Sorry, I forgot my brains here. So it means rook takes e5 here from this one, or maybe rook takes knight here. So it means captured. And also bishop f4 with a threat by rook, or maybe with a threatening by rook here, and also move by rook e6 here, king g1. So it means king g1 here, and also rook g6 and king f3, and also c5, rook f1. So it means, or maybe with a backwards, oh wait, so it means, oh I forgot my mouse here. So it means with a decided here, or maybe with a backwards here by here, the move here, or maybe backwards by bishop here from this one, or maybe with a backwards here, and also bishop e6 and a3. I'm sorry, the mouse is cannot move here. I decided to tap my mouse here from my laptops here. And also is queen d7 without move here. Without decided is move by rook d8. So it is decided here from this one. And also king h2, and also bishop b3, king e2. Ay, sorry, queen e2, sorry. So it means queen e2 here from this one. So it means decided from queen e2. I'm sorry, I got wrong my brains here. So it means queen e2 here. And also rook e8, c4, and also b5, pawn takes, queen takes b5, and also rook ac1, queen c6, rook fe1. So it means decided here, or maybe with a move here, or decided, or maybe double. So it means double here, or double queen, or maybe with a decided by here by queen and rook here. So it means decided here, or maybe with the develops here from this one. And also rook g e6. So it means triple battery, or maybe double one battery here, or maybe decided here from this one. And also queen f2, queen d7, queen g3, queen d4. Oh, I got decisions here from this one, so it means develops. And also rook c3 with a threat by bishop here, or maybe sacrifice. And also rook g6 with a threat, or maybe with a threatening by queen, or maybe with a threatening here. Wait for a moment, I must got forgot something my mouse. Oh, here's something. The mouse is good. So it means decided from this mouse here. I'm sorry, I forgot. Got my earphones here from this one. My headphones. I got decisions my to proper my headphones. Or maybe rook g6 here with a threat by queens here from this one. And also queen e3, queen to queen, queen takes, rook takes, and rook c6. So it means develops here by Goryachkina, and also rook e1 with a backwards by Batkuyag, and also f5, bishop, bishop e3. So it means good decisions by Batkuyang from Mongolia. Pawn takes, bishop takes pawn, and also rook c e6 battery by Goryachkina, or maybe with a decided by develops by strongest move. And also d takes e4, rook takes e4, And also rook ce3 battery by I am Bakuyang. So it means what you decided here, if you capture this one or maybe ready from this capture or maybe develops here from this rook to rook. And also she decided rook takes e3, rook takes, bishop takes rook. Good decisions. Or maybe develops here from this one. And also king f7, bishop d4, g6. Decided g6 here. And king g3, h5. Uh, oh my god, still moved by Gorechkina here. So how many clocks here? Or maybe 8 minutes by Gorechkina and also lowest 8 minutes by I am Batkuya. Or maybe with a running out of time. And also king f4. And also last shot is king e6. So it means a great draw from last round. Or maybe with a great draw from last round, round number 9. So accuracy, the score of accuracy is white pieces 98.2 by Ayam Batpuyag in Mongolia, and the accuracy score by 98.4 by GM Alexander Gorishkin. So the winner of this one, the points accuracy is GM Alexander Gorishkin. So this is a final results of this game. So let's see. So it means these are the winner from this one. So it means the gold championship is in this 5.5 points is GM Alexandra Gorechkina, and also silver medals here from 5.5 points is GM Hampi Conero in this India. And also the bronze medal from this 5.5 points from this Mongolia is I am Batkuyang Mongotul. So it means top 3 from this one. So it means 5 points from China, Tang Songi, 5 points by Katarina Lagno, and 4.5 points by Alexandra Kostinyuk in Switzerland, and 4 points by Spain in Sarah Kandem, and also again 4 points from India is GM Harika Ronau Valley. So it means I cannot read by also that. And also the 3 points from this one is Germany is Grandmaster Elizabeth Hart. So it means 3 points here. And also last number 10 from these 3 points from this Sakastan is International Master Bibi Sara Azaubayeva. So it means these are the top 3 from this one awardees from this one. So it means gold medals from this Russia, and silver medals by India, and bronze medal in this Mongolia. So it is congratulations of this top 3 from this one. So the winner of this one in FIDE Women's Grand Prix 2025 Monaco Grand Gold Champion is Grandmaster Russia Alexandra Goryashkina. So it means congratulations from this one. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka I call Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and adios. Bye bye.